stand to support this motion by my good friend Honorable James Ondari. Indeed, yesterday we were shocked to see a battalion of GSU officers at the stadium where the office of the governor is. Actually, last week on social media platforms, we had a comment from one of our senior person in this county, actually a member of parliament from South Mogrango, writing that there will be all categories of police in Gusii as from next week. And actually it did happen. Mr. Speaker, I want to say that there are people in this county who want to delay development from our county because they thought by closing the office of the governor, maybe people won't get development from it. And I want to castigate this thing and say that the police officers in this country are supposed to protect people. The GSU have a mandate to do. For example, now the bandits in this country who are uncontrolled in this country, but they cannot go there. They only came to harm innocent people at the stadium. For example, as my good friend has said, Honorable James Ondari, there's a student who was doing Ajiry. There's a course in the stadium called Ajiry. This student was pregnant, and the GSU officers actually mishandled the student, and she miscarried. It's not something that we need to welcome, and as a county, we need to condemn this thing. The police should stick to their lane and stop being misused by politicians in this country. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Bale.